UTM! UTM! Sogolo lathu! Sogolo lathu! Sogolo lathu! Dr. Saulos Klaus Chilima wakutumbikika. Wala wakamikira ni bora la ulere kulilongwe wakanananga msonkhano wa kulilongwe utondekenge wakagulisa somo wa kuchipa kublantayo kukanana tupanje msonkhano wa kublantayo ngatimbanzika wate wapange msonkhano kuno pakatoto apa nyengo ya umaliro nkhanira wapangana msonkhano ura wangapanganga chafuati wali na mantra apo ndichamenge uyo wakuimira Wanyamata muzondi mkandawire kuti wateoyese impi apo ili munozgeke para kumaraka kuyoya tigiepo kuti waone tutapokerera kuno kumzuzu.
UTM! Nyengo nchaitu ya Chinyamata sono. UTM! Sogolatu! Ulemu wa president witu wa chalo chino cha Malawi palikuwa naka May 2019. Dr. Saulos Chilima zina nalaba kuchema kuchitapigwa makula mromo nonkanya yayi ulemu kwa SG witu mama Patisha Kaliata kwendi chitana kunyadira mwe nonkanya pakuyowoya kwani wana mafumbo ya linga zikoli kulindi zikawaka na zikola nyengwene hiyo. Ulemu kwa spika witu wa kunyumba ya Malamulo Adada Honorable Richard Msowoya. Ulemu kwa chea witu Honorable Masangwe Mashini maulemu kose ninga kwanisa yayo. Abwana President ino nkumbani wonge ngati yumoza wa Chinyamata na imapano mukanenge kuyimirira mwate mkomenge sita Chinyamata because we had no hope that where we are going we had no any candidate that we could have been expecting that we would go and vote for him. We are tired with the past ruling or even the current ruling that have ignored us as a youth in this country. A president, I feel pain and anger in my heart. 54 years here in the Northern Region, as a youth, we don't have even a TV station in the Northern Region. 54 years! We are talking about 54 years when other people that are celebrating us here in Mzuzu. 15 years we watch international game football at Mzuzu Stadium. That was in independence. But up to now, we are just saying that our Malawi football teams are playing there in Southern Region. Blantyre and Lilongwe, not in Mzuzu. Are we belonging to Malawi? They have been sidelining us. Why these people always they just want to use us? Tizika Momoa, Tirindinzelu, we can do better in our country. Enough is enough. We are tired. I remember in 1992, a president. In 1992, we were there for referendum, and there was a song we were singing. We want change now. We want change. We want change now. We want change now. We want change now. We want change. And it's now. We want to tell Malawians that will not accept that anybody to torture our vice president. We are not going just to watch it. In Liberia, people, the youth, they choose the president, George Weah, whom doesn't have any background, but they just wanted to have a youth. What about us here in Malawi? We have got a president who grew up here, he works here, he has done good things for this country. He has done this thing, great things in this country. I'm a grandchild of Kukazbek. Kasbek inachita bwino amagwira ntchito ku Airtel inachuka komanso anakwatira momuno sakhala kunja amakhala momuno. Bwana tifuna tikuwuzeni anthu enawa amati iwala ife because anawa ali kunja. They're not here. That's why they don't feel pain. We are tired. And bwana tipeza kumpata sitimapasidiwa mwawo yankhula ife Achinyamata. Ndifuna ndipemphe nasoko yathu maembi athu ku parliament zile zomwe mmapanga zijamusiye ife kuja mzikatimirira abwana ife timavutika kunja kuno musalole kuti anthu azikupasa ndama zopanda phindu. Ndama zilizonse zachiphuphu kuti ino mwasangalase zili ndi case because as Malawians were crying as the children. We can't vote in our own country. We become foreigners in our country. This is our country. Not afraid. The other thing, we have been tortured enough. We have got our fellow youth, Your Excellency, mainly the media team. They have been harassed. They have been tortured. This must be stopped. This media, that the people, they are giving information to where the press, people they cannot hide it. Today, if people are coming, a number of a newspaper, a number of the Tifuna tauze, boma lola mulai, kulifetindi zero. We are ready to this country, and we are going through this country as a youth. Our President, Dr. Saulos Kraus. Chindujina President to Fantuzen, Pepana must have served higher Achinyamata pano. Chindujina President to Fantuzen. If Achinyamata, Tindija Zato Mutata Pangina campaign, and that how many and that come at India, City Ulula. City Ulula, Koma Ifeo, Achinyamata Mbida. UTM! Ndati fati mopeka go abana machallenges ametu wakumana nayo. Maiko atanzatu achizungu akapanga mwana akaisema mimi nafuna panga kandichina chake andoma mtandizira kuti ncheshile basogolo. Kunoko president ku Malawi chifukwa cha bad leadership ndi amene amazungulira president retired people amene amaina kupanopa kugona kunyumba ali kutunda kucha asakutithandiza. For example, muntu anapanga ndege ucha. If we are looking that anzatu American Dama company that would have come in to kumpanga send him abroad so that his skill can go everywhere. For example, anzatu azanene kukumana kwa kitu ndege. Tindiwi na bana paruinga pompa. Anapanga gari moto afuna yendele msora. Paribe ugamena ngalibe kunyusi okuzana ndiye. We feel pain. Ineso pano bwana ndupanga so generator sende mafuta. Kwa tukuziwa kuzosesi ziyamba kutuluka iliyo mkalo wa mpando posha chedwa. Mumalawi muno muli maruso ambiri amena mapangika. Nisaiware the former president amena mponda so wambiri the late president being Wamtarika. May his soul rest in peace. Anampanga interview ku Europe. Ndipo ananena maho. Why you European you are complaining that African youth immigrants they're flocking here in Europe? He said, you know why? We are taking the minerals and they're bringing here, so they're following the minerals. So also we are going to follow our money in government. They have steal our money. We are going to follow it up. We have just had a payback to accept that now they have got a case. So if I am that Achinyamata president, tufuna tinene ba maskiwa tufuna pitilile chino chomo timapemba president mundo domegozano effect number project ya modern farming tufuna malo sajanali MYP base tapanga transform in modern farming munali matractor mango kala mediti. I've been working in modern farming for 10 years. We have got experience at Achinyamata for 4 years, but we don't have a sponsor. Tufuna ife Achinyamata tigwira ntchito tufuna titogoze a president for chabaya kwanu kuno koma ife tupemba tuonane nanu. Achinyamata ofuna atamva zomwe mwatikonsera, and we are ready. We are going to die just because of you. God has sent you for a reason. and you're not going to fail. Remember, the angels are moving with you. They're going to protect you whenever you're going. We don't depend on the security of the world. We depend on the security of heaven. Thank you.
UTM! 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 Sogolo lathu! Sogolo lathu! Sogolo lathu! Dr. Saulos Klaus Chilima! Kaunga chomene wadada musondi panda. Uko nichemenge wa impi sono kutuvanjire. Nimpemphani setiyo enge pano. Para tupereka nchindi kuti tiwasungire nyengo ya kwana wa president tuwayo ina wantu. Tipereke nga waka nchindi kwa hiyo wa president. Kwa mama former first lady Madam Karisa Mutarika, wa national chairperson wa dada Noel Masangwi, wa secretary general wa mama Patricia Kariati, na wa speaker wa dada Richard Msoya. Kwa nyake kose kura chindi na mpekelani kale mwa impi tenti njire mkati hapo mkumalizika impi inu napulika tuyumoza wa imo kumbata wapeleke chitokozo para mkumalizika waka wapeleke letu chitokozo chira.